Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. In this video I'm looking at this D-Link mini Wi-Fi smart plug. You can control it via Alexa, IFTTT or Google Assistant. It's a little plug, plugs in, and you can turn any plug into a smart plug. And so what I'm going to do in this video is just unbox it, get it connected up to my network and see what I can do with it. Okay, so here's the plug. Nice and simple. Got a little QR code there so we can set it up. And you see it doesn't take up too much space. I've had some of the older models that are really big tall things and take up a load of space, but this doesn't. So the first step is to see how easy it is to get this set up on the network. In the box we've got a couple of guides. We'll start with a quick guide, and we need to get the My D-Link app, and then we can scan the QR code. So I've already got the app installed from my other devices, so now I need to set up this device. So I can just scan it. Let's allow that. Okay, so that's scanned now, so now I just need to plug it in and it'll start flashing. So that's flashing away there. I know it's not ideal plugging into an extension lead like this, it's just the best way I can film it. And so that means it's in pairing mode now, so I can go back to the app and start the setup. So now I'm going to connect it to the network, so I'll give it a network to connect to, and it's now just setting it all up to finish. Now I've set the Wi-Fi up. Okay, so it's connected up. It told me that it's connected up, so I'm going to give it a better name than that so that I can control it through my Alexa. So let's call this Office Desk. So I'll give it a nice friendly name, Office Desk. Next. And that's done. Oh, there's obviously a firmware update, so I'm going to do the firmware update, let it reboot, and then I'm going to try that through an Alexa. Okay, so the plug's all done now. I can turn it on, I can turn it off. As simple as that. Now I've got my Alexa to detect devices, so we can make sure we can control that through there. But let's have a look at some of the things we can do with it, as well as turn it on and off. We can set up timers. We can turn the plug on or off on a timer. We can create events. We can create a scene, which might be one plug on, another plug on, a light on, or something else like that. So like watch a movie scene, and you can turn your cinema, your home cinema on, turn the lights off, draw the curtains, all that kind of thing. So here, for example, I've got a water sensor, which is offline at the moment, but I could set that so that if it detects water, it can turn a plug on, maybe a heater or a fan or a vent or something like that. I can do schedules, so I can create a schedule. So I want this desk plug to come on at certain times, so you can have it as a lamp or anything with the use of the plug. You can just schedule this, and you can just tell it when to turn it on and off. So I can turn it on and off through the app, or I can do it through Google Home or Amazon Alexa. And also with the Alexa you can create routines, so I can have triggers and that kind of thing. Let me show you. So I could create a routine that maybe when my front door Arlo camera is detected, it turns the smart plug on and off. So maybe you could have it so that, you know, camera's detected, it turns the table lamp off, and then 10 minutes later you can have it to turn it back off again, that kind of thing. So you've got that full integration with the app, as well as being able to do it directly in the new D-Link app as well. So it's a really nice little device. It's not too big. As you see, it's easy to set up, especially with the QR code on there. Got it set up in my app, got it set with my other, integrating with other smart home routines. Price and availability is on with the on the post on thedigitallife.com, and I'll put some notes on the YouTube video as well. And there we go, smart plug D-Link's all set up.